Like he's live here on Coinmarketcap. It says they have the BinanceFanToken gift cards. It is available. It's available on Coinmarketcap Rewards. So it's a limited offer. So it says backed by popular demand, get limited edition LAZIO PORTO SANTOS gift cards on Coinmarketcap Data Rewards today. So we'll be releasing limited quantities of each fan token on January 26th, 12 p.m. UTC every day until Friday. So you want to take note of this airdrop campaign. He said it's gonna be listed. They will be releasing everyone on a Friday basis, on a weekly basis. So the first one is gonna be holding up on January 26th. So I'm gonna go over to the official website. So follow BinanceFanToken for the latest on fan tokens. I think this is a good one. It's a good project. So we're going to go over to CoinMarketCap website. So first and foremost, we'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can sign up on Binance. You can sign up on also on CoinMarketCap. Mine and diamonds for free, and these diamonds will be eligible for you to utilize them in getting these rewards tokens. So that's how it works basically. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, red subscribe button down this video, so you'll be notified whenever we drop updates. You also want to turn on the notifications. Also, feel free to like our videos, share our videos for free, so you get notified whenever we drop updates, and if you find them beneficial too. So they'll be giving 833 fan tokens for 1,000 dinos. So each of these gift cards worth about $4 on Binance today. So I think that's a good one. So we have for Santos fan token, FC Porto fan. So the thing about these fan tokens is that you can easily exchange them on Binance, while also these gift cards. I think you could also decide to hold them. I think possibly, or for diamonds that you got for free, you could easily utilize these and get and exchange them for these diamonds. So all you need to do to claim these is to come on time. Once this rewards kicks off, you're going to have to visit these fan token websites, register and complete your KYC, click on redeem gift card and claim your tokens. So you can click on redeem gift card here and claim your tokens Twitter account. So once you are given the gift card, you can now go over to your Binance account and do the needful. So guys, peace out. One love, your kids. I hope you find this helpful. This for Santos FC fan token gift card. Then also this one also for FC Putu fan token gift card. So this is it. Is an overview of these gift cards, guys. So you want to be aware of these ones. Peace out, guys. One love, your kids.